how you are added Udemy certificate to your LinkedIn profile. So continue with me. I am already on my profile, but in most cases you click here view profile option. Once that is opened up, scroll down and here it is license and certification to the very bottom. Click the plus icon to add license or certification. Once this is open up, go back to Udemy certificate. Click on the Udemy certificate. You look, my Udemy certificate is right here. You see my course name is Revit Templates, a masterclass. Simply copy this, your course name and here name paste normally. And issuing organization is Udemy. Select this Udemy option. And issue date here, you go back to the Udemy certificate and here you look date August 22, 2024. Here you must select August and year 2024. You write your issuing date and now credential ID or credential URL. And you see my certificate number, certificate URL, top of right here. Here you copy URL from this and here you that and credential ID look you see and if then you see and here we are simply you can also add skill example I write here Revit MEP and simply I save this and here you can post this certificate but I skip go view profile and here we are show credential and successfully your Udemy certificate uploaded into your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching.